If you're a SNAP recipient in Virginia, you might not know that some restaurants accept EBT through a program called the Restaurant Meals Program. This unique initiative lets eligible individuals use their benefits to purchase hot prepared meals, which is a huge relief for those who can't prepare their own meals at home. Now let's dive into everything you need to know, including how it works, who qualifies, and which restaurants participate. So the Restaurant Meals Program is a special part of the federal food stamps law, but states have the choice to adopt it or not. That's why this program is still relatively new to Virginia, even though it's been a popular feature in states like California and Arizona for a very long time. So, who can take part in this? Unfortunately, it's not open to all SNAP recipients. To qualify, every member of your household that is listed on your SNAP account must meet at least one of these critical criteria. You need to be at least 60 years old, or be permanently disabled and receiving government disability benefits, or be homeless. Now, if you are the spouse of someone who qualifies, you may also qualify for this. But if you have a third person in your household, you're generally not going to qualify if they don't meet those requirements. It's kind of an all or nothing rule, right? So if even one person on your account doesn't meet those requirements and they're not a spouse of someone who does, your household's not going to qualify. Now, if you think you should be eligible, your caseworker can activate that program for you, and you should see a message about eligibility in your online account. If it's not there, you can reach out to your caseworker. Once you've got that approval set up, using the program is really easy. You just take your EBT card to a participating restaurant and use it like you would at a grocery store. Now, you need to remember these participating restaurants are selected by address. So even if it's a chain, for example, if a Subway near you takes EBT, there might be one down the road that doesn't. You have to make sure you're going to the right address. We have a list of the approved addresses on our website at lowincomerelief.com, so you can easily see that. You also need to keep in mind that SNAP benefits still cannot be used for alcohol, cigarettes, or non-food items, and they also cannot be used for delivery fees. Taxes and tips, you don't have to worry about those because when you shop with EBT, you will not be charged taxes, and they generally don't expect tips on EBT transactions. Now, of course, here is a tip for you that you need to know. Using this program does not increase your EBT balance, and restaurant meals can eat through that balance very quickly, so you will need to budget accordingly. But now let's talk about the exciting part, the restaurants, right? Virginia's list of participating restaurants has grown significantly. If you are craving fried chicken, KFC is an excellent choice with locations across the state. Their menu is packed with family-friendly options from crispy chicken buckets to hearty sides like mashed potatoes and biscuits. They have locations in many cities that accept EBT. For a healthier option, Subway is the go-to spot for customizable sandwiches and fresh ingredients. With participating locations in Newport News, Portsmouth, and Virginia Beach, you can enjoy your favorite sub loaded with fresh veggies and your choice of protein. This is perfect for a quick, nutritious meal on the go. Now, for those who enjoy Tex-Mex inspired flavors, Taco Bell provides an affordable and flavorful menu of options, and you can use EBT at some of their locations in cities like Alexandria, Arlington, and Chesapeake, as well as several spots in Virginia Beach and Norfolk. Virginia also boasts a variety of local eateries that accept EBT benefits, offering a more unique dining experience. In Richmond, you'll find Kokonut Grill, known for its Caribbean-inspired flavors, and the Beet Box, a great spot for health-conscious diners. If you're in Lynchburg, you can try Asian Fusion for a mix of flavors, or Bistro Bros, Q Deli, for a classic deli experience. In Newport News, you can check out Juicing Life Bar and Cafe, offering fresh juices and a vibrant menu perfect for a refreshing meal. With options ranging from national chains to local gems, Virginia's Restaurant Meals Program makes dining out more accessible and diverse than ever. So make sure that you check our website for an updated list of restaurants that may accept your EBT card near you. I'll see you there.